Good morning!
Morning!
Where are we today?
We are at Hollywood Studios.
Hollywood Studios, and in the background you can see the Tower of Terror. So we had an early morning today. Our goal, we actually didn't do too bad. Our goal was to wake up at 6 to make it here early for the extra 30 minutes of park time that you get for staying on property. So we did pretty good.
Yeah, we just have to get through security.
Yeah, and then we're going to head straight to the Rise of the Resistance. It'll be the first time for both of us to ride that ride. And then it'll be Evan's first time in Galaxy's Edge.
Yeah, Galaxy's
Edge.
So
that's awesome. I'm going to show you our fits for today. Evan is Star Wars themed with his R2-D2 shirt.
I call it droid casual.
And I am Little Mermaid. I'm Ariel today, so I got the green and the purple, so I'm really excited. Thanks. This is Disney Bounding Day 2 for me, and I'm really enjoying Disney Bounding. It's kind of like a subtle nod to Disney characters. Oh, now we're gonna head to the front and go through security.
What is the car? Another ship out of commission.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings.
Your hyperdrivers fail.
Oh no!
Pilots, they said that. Try right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Oh, watch it. Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that. Watch out! Oh, that's going to be. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free.
Oh my gosh! I'm pulling up!
Left pilot, brake. My friends, that could have been much worse. The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Left pilot, hit the boosters.
Left pilot!
Boost! We made it! I don't believe it, but we made it!
That was so fun! That was so much fun, being a pilot. You can't compare that to the other jobs that there were. So much fun.
It's more sensitive to the movement than I thought it'd be.
Yeah, and we did good. We got 43% accuracy, which isn't bad. Now we're gonna head over to Rise of the Resistance. There's a 75-minute wait. We tried to go there first, but it was closed. I don't know if they were having technical difficulties, but now that it's open, it's a super long wait. So Rise of the Resistance is at a, 95-minute wait?
Yeah.
And slowly climbing, so we're not going to do that one right now. We're going to come back and hopefully do that this afternoon. You can't buy a Premier Access for it, which kind of sucks right now, but now we're going to head into Toy Story Land and ride Toy Story Mania, because it's only like a 30-minute wait. Thing to play with when he was younger.
Mainly toy soldiers and stuff.
There was this cherry picking game. I vividly remember there was little cherries, and it was a board game. I'm gonna have to research it, but I do remember this game. That was called like Barrel of Cherries or something. I don't remember.
Yeah, I've never seen one before.
But that was one of my favorites. So Evan and I were talking, I don't think I've ever entered in this way because I've never noticed Andy's bed. That's so cool. We just came out of Andy's closet. It's like a whole new perspective. Which character do you think we're gonna get in our car? We got
probably Slinky.
Slinky. I'm gonna say Ham because I like him. Alright, so we got Bo Peep. Gotta warm up. I'm not too optimistic, I always lose.
Hey, howdy, hey!
Just pull the string!
My arms are on fire! He whooped me. Evan got best of vehicle! Woo! My arms are on fire. If this was a workout, I mean, I would be buff. Like, this was a workout. Like, that was so much.
Use my fingers more than my arm.
Oh man, I was using my bicep. My bicep is on fire right now. We're like, ah! So we saw that Rock and Roller Coaster opened up finally, and now it has a 15-minute wait, so we are booking it to get there.
So fast.
So fast. But I bet you by the time we get there, it's at least 30-minute wait. It's kind of a busy day here. Change of plans for like the 20th time today. We are all over the place today.
Yeah.
But we're just trying to roll with it. But right when we made it to Rockin', it went from a 10-minute wait all the way up to 80 minutes. And I went ahead and purchased the lightning lane today because it's so busy. So I'm gonna try to get a lightning lane for that later. So now we're gonna go get some breakfast. We're gonna get the Ronto Wrap. So we ordered their breakfast Ronto Wrap, and it has sausage, egg on pita, and obviously Evan's already had a bite. How is it?
It's good.
You like it? Good. It's good. It's like a sauce. You taste the sauce?
Mayonnaise.
Some type of mayonnaise sauce on it. It's really good.
Now we see you again real soon.
Alright, so it's 11 o'clock. We've already done quite a bit today.
Yeah.
But we just watched the cute little Mickey and Minnie short. It was like Mickey and Minnie's vacation. It was really cute. So now we're headed to Tower of Terror, which has a 45-minute wait. And then after
Probably an
that,
hour and a half by the time we get
Probably an hour and a half. By the time we get there, it probably shoots up to like a 90-minute wait. So, but we'll see. But that's what's next. So fun. And we only waited 45 minutes for it, so that wasn't terrible. But now we're going to mosey in the shops and work our way to our Fast Pass, which I will forever call them Fast Passes, for Minnie and Mickey's Runaway Railway. And this will be our first time riding that too, so I'm really excited about that one. Going to the Beverly Sunset Boutique. We found this dog toy, and it's like a big dog toy that you put a bunch of little ones in. Ours love these. Whoa, not for $25 though. Whew. Goodness. These are kind of nice. Feel them, are they soft?
Not bad.
Not bad. They are $25 too, so the same price as the dog toy. This is so soft. Oh my gosh. Feel that. That would be hot. You would never wear it in Florida, but you could wear it back home. Oh, their Spurt jerseys are cute. Walt Disney World. And they are 80. Ooh, look at that flashy hat. My gosh. 30. Yeah, 30. Where did you go?
It's not sleep shorts for you.
Oh, okay, we'll go look. But look at this flashy hat. Isn't that pretty?
I think you can pull that.
Yeah, I don't ever wear hats, but that one's really pretty.
Yeah, maybe so.
Alright, show me these sleep shorts that you disappeared on me for.
There you go.
Yeah. 36.
Well, you
They're
know,
alright. Hey, we can get Donald and Daisy sweatshirts.
If they're comfy, I'd think about it.
Yeah, if they were comfy, that would be cute. How much are they? They are free because I don't see a price. Oh, wait. 45. Hey, babe, are we gonna get a mug over here? We should.
That's special.
We should. Oh, this is cute. It's like a Snow White ensemble. That's really cute. Oh, this is cute. Look at this mug. The restaurant find for Tiana. Cute. This is the 50th collection. And it's got this really cute 50th mug. And evidently it's a Starbucks mug.
Yeah.
That's really cute. So we did a little shopping. We didn't buy anything. But it's 12:14. Our fast pass for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway behind us is at 12:25. So we're going to try to get in and see if they'll let us check in early for the ride. But we're really excited because, again, it's our first time on this one. So, and the wait times today have been 60 minutes or above everywhere. It's just crazy busy at every ride.
What ride was this previously?
Oh yeah, this used to be the Great Movie Ride, and Evan got to ride it one time before they transitioned it, ripped it out. But that used to be one of my favorites that I would ride when I would come when I was little. So it'll be interesting to see.
Not gonna be an alien this time.
There's not gonna be an alien this time, dropping down from the ceiling.
That'd be quite a twist.
Yeah, or the Indiana Jones scene. So I'm interested to see the changes that they've done from the Great Movie Ride to the Mickey's Runaway Railway. We're gonna go find out. Evan asked, and you can be how early for your fast pass?
5 minutes.
Only 5 minutes, so we have 2 minutes to wait before we can check in. But we're looking at all the cute little names on the ground. Is this Jackie Chan? Gosh, I'm stuck. Happy birthday, Mickey. Oh, Bette Midler. Please. Look at the Roger Rabbit one. That's so cute. Oh my gosh.
guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park. And thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.